guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a good long while since I filmed anything. Please excuse the messy background as my room is still being in the process of being cleaned and put together, but I thought I would film a video for you guys. So I hope you guys are doing so well. I missed you, my lovelies. I hope that life is doing its best for you, and I hope and pray that you're healthy and happy and thriving. Today I'm going to be filming a makeup look on my everyday makeup routine. I can chit chat as well because I don't want it to be like a super, like I've sat down and filmed this. It's just going to be really casual. Yeah, I'm going to update you guys on my life while I do my makeup routine. So yeah, let's just get into the makeup. I'm going to take my glasses off and start. I've already gotten into my skincare, so I use the Beauty of Joseon sun cream. It's SPF factor 50. It's super good. I absolutely love the way it feels on my skin. But firstly, I also start off with this Korean niacinamide. I absolutely love this serum. It's just so effortlessly easy to apply, and it's also glowing, and it's a good moisturizer as well. It's such a good product. I absolutely love this. And the Beauty of Joseon sun cream, they're not sponsored. I just thought I'd share with you my skin prep before I apply my makeup. Firstly, I'm gonna apply a bit of my skin foundation. I know I said skin, my glow foundation, just to my face. I absolutely love this foundation. It's a little bit light since my skin has gotten darker, but we'll make it work. I'll like bronze to make myself look that bit more tan. And I'm just going to apply it to my under eyes as well. I always apply my foundation all over my face. I don't know why, I just do. That's the way I've always done my makeup. Sometimes I'll leave my under eyes if like they don't need foundation, but I'm going to apply a good bit. Oh my god, my chair's gotten so squeaky lately. I think I need to oil it. But yes, I'm just gonna apply just like this. I might come closer, just so you guys can really see how pretty this foundation is. I think this foundation is super pretty. Just all to the side. I can't believe it's summer already. I've been working, enjoying life. The weather has been beautiful in Ireland. It's been so stunning, sunny every day, which I'm so grateful because I love the sunny weather. I'm gonna put on concealer. I put on a load, but I'm just gonna put on a little bit here and here. Close it up. Every thing I'm using, by the way, since the skincare is from Aldi. I started to try Aldi makeup and it's actually so good. So the foundation was Aldi, and so is the concealer. I find them so reasonable. Like they do their job. Like they do last the whole day. Yeah, and I'm just gonna blend this all out. I feel like I've forgotten how to do YouTube. I feel like every time I come back here, I'm like, how do I make a talking video again? Because all I usually do is shorts, and then I make my TikToks and my reels, and then when it comes to talking to a camera, I'm like, is this my profession? But it is. And oh my gosh, the squeaky chair is actually driving me nuts. This is what it looks like. Then I just take my curve case and I bronze my nose, my side of my cheeks. Like I always do my forehead as well. Like just really simple. Like it's not even a hard makeup routine to follow along with. I just kind of made this one up. I didn't specifically follow anyone's. And then I just do like a bit over my eyes to make me look bronze, and literally that's it. Like I've been using the curve case since like February. It's so good. And then I just use a blush. I put a little on my nose and here, and then if it's not perfect and it's too much, I literally just blend it out with a beauty blender. I can do a little bit on my forehead since my forehead's a bit bronze, and I kind of like fluff it out to make a little bit of my eyelids look a little bit tan. And then I move on to the telescopic mascara. I usually never use this one. but I had this Sky High one before. I love that one. I still prefer the Sky High one, but this is the one I have today. It's the L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara. Oh my god, it just fell. Oh gosh, I absolutely hate flaky bits. They're so annoying. Yeah, should be okay. It'll be fine. Just this one is very liquidy, so it's kind of hard to like make sure I don't use too much. I'm gonna bring some onto my other lashes as well, just to like even out the amount. And I just apply until my lashes look really long and full. That's my goal. I love a long length and fuller lash. I feel like you can hear my tongue piercing click. Sorry about that. But yes, I absolutely love, look how long my lashes look already. Like that's a full definition in lash. I was so excited to be done with my first year of college, by the way. I finished everything. I have a few repeats to do because chemistry was really hard for me, so I have to repeat that. But other than that, I did really well in everything else, so I'm so grateful. I'm focusing on the study and also enjoying my summer as well. I'll be driving soon, hopefully. By the time I make another video, I hope to be driving. Yeah, and just like manifest good things into my life as usual. I want to get my lashes like really long. Yeah, like this, because I'm not even using a mirror. I'm using my camera. So hopefully I can see. But yes, life has been great. I am so excited about the future. I am 23, I'm single, and I am thriving. Like, I feel really happy. There's been a lot of stuff that I needed to kind of get over with my life and kind of move on and move forward, and I feel like I've done that like 85%. So I'm hoping by, I'm not gonna put a time limit, but I'm hoping, yeah, I'll be like back to my 100% soon. And I know that I am there. I'm like, I've come a long way, and yeah, I'm really proud of myself for that. Now I'm gonna move on to eyebrows. I usually just fill them in really simply. I kind of skip this part out on my shorts. I never really show my, like, me doing my brows because I feel like, I don't know, but I feel like I do them really quickly, so I just didn't bother to put them into my shorts. Like, to be honest, some days they look more thicker, some days they look more thinned out. It really depends on how I'm feeling and what kind of look I'm going for, but this is just my standard fill-in, what I'll do. And I literally just use brown shadow. I don't use brow gel or brow whatever thickener. I don't even know if there's a thickener, that's such a thing. I don't use like a pomade or anything. I literally just use brown shadow from this beautiful Be Perfect palette. That was a gift from my mom last year. I love it. And yeah, that's literally what I use. And then I kind of try and go for a natural lip look as well. Like, I mean, obviously my eyebrow doing is never perfect. Like, sometimes it's never like, I don't know, I feel like it changes, but it's fine for me. I'm happy with it. I don't really mind as long as it does the job. There's makeup all over my hands, but I had a bit of gloss on. I line my lips with the lip liner. This is from She Glam. Midnight Sun. I really love this color. And sometimes I'll like mix it in like that. This is the Rimmel in, is it Pink to the Berry? And I know it's kind of dark, a dark lip, but it suits my vibe. Yeah, also I love a berry lip. And then I'll kind of like fix my hair to how I want it to be. Sometimes I'll tie it up like this. Like, it really depends. Like, sometimes I'll do a style like this. I don't know, it really depends. Like, look at the way my hair is doing that. And then sometimes I'll leave it down. It really depends, because I kind of like volume up the top. Obviously I've just got my hair cream on and conditioner, but yep. But this is the finished makeup look. I hope that I you enjoyed this video. I'm not doing a couple of gifts that my sister got me. She got me a cute Korean glass skin face mask that I can't wait to try because I absolutely love Korean skincare. I love Korean skincare. And then she got me a 14 pack of like different beauty blenders and beauty pads for doing my makeup, which I will try for you guys sooner or later. And then I think she also got me another gift from Dublin, which was so cute. I thought that was so sweet. I'm probably gonna do a favorites. I know I said I would do this like in November, but I probably will do a favorites video. Maybe I'll film it after this one, I don't know. But yeah, I hope you guys are doing well. I tried to talk as much about my life as I possibly could. I'm just kind of living in the moment lately and trying to film content and squeeze time in to do everything, because time is going by so quickly. Like, it's been a while since I filmed a video, so I just really wanted to make sure that I get everything in that I want to do with my summer, and also not forget about my YouTube dreams as well and my passions. And yeah, that is basically what I had to say. I don't know if I'll take the choker off. Should I take the choker off? Maybe I might. Just feel like it doesn't suit my vibe today. It does. I don't know. Maybe I'll go without it because I don't know. That's everything. Thank you so much for watching, and I love you.